Hey everybody, this video is sponsored by Amaze, the incredible company that gives you guys the opportunity to win awesome prizes while raising money for phenomenal organizations. For more information and to see what you could possibly win, go to amaze.com/WG. Let's get into the video. It's just barely. It just put enough pressure to pop the wood, which popped the freaking bed liner. Oh, what a nightmare. So anyhow, I'll probably use my ingenuity and maybe I'll put a racking thing of some kind here for maybe a fuel can or something, so I don't have to worry about putting bed liner on this whole freaking thing again. It didn't do it on the other side. For whatever reason it did it on this side, which really doesn't make sense because it's the same thickness. Maybe the gun had a little bit more pressure over here, but anyhow, I'm super upset. This is one of those things I just didn't really think would happen. I was feeling really good about this. Okay, it's okay. We'll figure this out. We'll figure it out. Oh, for the love of Pete's peppers! We need a win today, and I'm pretty happy with what I've got on the inside of the trailer. My knees hurt, I want to get out. So let's try and put this here door in this thing. See if we can't get this door in here, and that'll make us feel good, you know? We're gonna line it up, put some butyl tape down, and then, I don't know, I guess just try and do something amazing with our lives. Alright, so my camera died, unfortunately, but I put butyl tape around the whole seam of the door. I'm gonna put a little block here, 1/4 inch, roughly, just to have an even gap on the bottom and top. Oh, my tape measure, right there. Okay. Woo! Now, this is my trim bit. No way, it fits. I'm just always pleasantly surprised. Make sure. Guys, this is what I needed. I needed this encouragement. This encouragement that I can do it. Even though you make mistakes, you get back up on that horse, unless you're allergic to horses or don't like horses, and you just keep riding, riding, baby. Oh, guys, come on! This is sick! Oh. Probably should have taken that out sooner. Hiya! Welcome to my teardrop. Alright guys, let's take a quick break from the Teardrop build and talk about this video's sponsor, Omaze. This time around, Omaze is giving you guys the opportunity to win a brand new Airstream 24X. Now if you don't know who Omaze is, well, they're constantly giving people the opportunity to win incredible experiences and prizes while raising money for nonprofits and charities across the world. This go around, they are giving you the opportunity to win an Airstream Interstate 24X. It has air ride suspension, 6 all-terrain tires, 13,500 BTU air conditioner. It has solar power, microwave, kitchen, all-electric refrigerator, freezer, bathroom with shower, toilet, and sink. You name it, it's probably got it. If you enter to win this prize, you will be supporting the Jimmy Johnson Foundation, a foundation dedicated to assisting children, families, and communities in need throughout the United States. The foundation currently focuses on funding K-12 public education, primarily through their Champions Grant program. Champion grants are awarded to schools located in California, Oklahoma, and North Carolina to help address critical needs. So like I said, if you want more information and you want the chance to win this Airstream 24X while supporting the Jimmy Johnson Foundation, head over to omaze.com/WG. All right, thanks for listening. Thank you, Omaze, for sponsoring this video. And now, let's get back to the build. Build. Build 9, the science guy, build. Okay, they give you this trim. All right, this trim goes over and protects all my anchors. Well, there we go. Now we're talking. Hey, that's working. I love it. The corners are kind of hard, but not terrible. Okay, that looks pretty freaking awesome. Nice. Let's see if we can't take that off here. This is super clean, by the way. These guys are awesome company. This is the best degreaser I've ever used. Plus, you can just put on anything and it takes the stuff right off. Okay, well let's go put in the other windows while we're just humming along here. That look cool? It really sucks it in.
Okay.
Does that work? Open it up. Oh! Can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you say Woodness goodness?
A good inky.
That was pretty good. Hey Reese, can you please put your safety glasses on? Safety first, Reese. Perfect. Looking good. Alright, because I don't have a trim ring, I cut this so it's perfectly flush with this. And I'll screw it into the supporting rib down here. And then I will put a screw through the wood that will grab the window and pull it in tight.